Welcome to this detailed pharmacology lecture on Duflo tablet. Introduction. Duflo tablet, a micronized purified flavonoid fraction containing diosmin and hesperidin. This drug plays an important role in improving venous tone, reducing capillary leakage, and managing conditions like varicose veins, chronic venous insufficiency, leg edema, and hemorrhoids. In this session, we will explore its composition, mechanism, uses, pharmacology, safety profile, and clinical relevance. Composition. Duflo is available mainly in two strengths, 500 mg and 1000 mg. Each 500 mg tablet contains 450 mg of diosmin and 50 mg of hesperidin, together forming the micronized purified flavonoid fraction. These naturally derived flavonoids work synergistically to strengthen veins and reduce inflammation. Classification. Duflo belongs to the class of venoactive and vasoprotective drugs, also known as phlebotonics. These agents improve venous circulation, protect microvasculature, and reduce inflammatory changes in venous tissues. Mechanism of action. Duflo works by increasing venous tone, decreasing venous pooling, and strengthening the walls of capillaries. It also reduces inflammation by inhibiting prostaglandins and free radicals. Additionally, it enhances lymphatic drainage, which helps reduce leg swelling. Pharmacological effects. Clinically, Duflo shows strong venotonic effects, restoring elasticity of veins while protecting capillaries from leakage. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help relieve symptoms of chronic venous disease. Pharmacokinetics. After oral administration, Duflo is metabolized largely in the colon and liver. The micronized form ensures superior absorption and bioavailability. It is eliminated via urine and feces with a half-life of around 11 hours. Indications. Duflo is widely prescribed for chronic venous insufficiency, varicose veins, ankle swelling, and symptoms like heaviness, cramps, and pain. It is also a first-line flavonoid therapy for acute and chronic hemorrhoids. Dosage and administration. For chronic venous disease, the standard dose is Duflo 500 mg twice daily or Duflo 1000 mg once daily. In acute hemorrhoids, higher tapering doses are used for quick relief. Adverse effects. Duflo is generally well tolerated. Mild gastrointestinal upset or headache may occur. Allergic reactions are rare. Contraindications. Duflo should be avoided in patients with known hypersensitivity to flavonoids or those with severe liver or kidney failure. Precautions. While Duflo is considered safe in pregnancy, use should be decided by a physician. Breastfeeding safety data is limited. Drug interactions. Duflo has no significant drug-drug interactions, but caution is advised with anticoagulants or antiplatelet medications. Overdose. Overdose is extremely rare and usually mild. Treatment is supportive. Storage and stability. Duflo must be stored in a cool, dry place below 25 degrees Celsius. Available brands. Duflo is marketed by several companies worldwide, with the original brand by Cerdia. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures.